my name is Shania Chaudhary and I am a student at FNU. I've just completed year 1 and now I am going to start year 2. I have received this 10K grant that contributes towards my fees for year 2. Well, I'm grateful to the government for this initiative because it has helped my parents in order to pay my fees, so it eases off the burden of their shoulders. And I hope that if not anything else, this initiative at least is carried on till next year and with the coming years, whereby those with good marks or good grades can at least get this opportunity.
And you are a private student?
Yes, I'm a private student.
How many years is this program for?
Well, this is a 6-year program. So basically, including this year, that's 5 more years to go.